Snowstorm? It's true, there's a winter storm forecasted for today. Okay, technically I'm filming this on Tuesday, but for continuity's sake, let's just pretend I'm curled up cozy at home during the storm, instead of at school looking forward to a long trudge home through the snow and the wind. That is, if there is any snow and wind. Okay, if the storm doesn't happen, we'll just forget about all of this. I've always enjoyed relaxing at home in front of the fire while a storm rages outside. Unfortunately, this is my fireplace this year. Although I don't actually have a driveway this year either, so shoveling isn't really going to be a problem. Yes. I think one of my most favourite snowstorms was probably 2 years ago, when the power went out and Jeff and I put a fire on the wood stove and lit a bunch of candles, and then watched Get Smart on his laptop until the battery died. It was the second biggest snowstorm I've ever seen. What's your favourite part of a snowstorm? When school is closed. My ukulele is broken. School is really starting to get busy, so I had to keep this video pretty short today. Since it's taking up all my time, here's a quick look at something I've been working on. It's an exercise in quick ink illustration. I sketched out an image first in red, and then I trace over it on vellum with different sizes of black pens. I definitely need a lot more practice because creating a easy looking loose image is actually a lot harder than I thought. This is the final. It's a boat and an iceberg. I'm kind of hoping you can tell that. So happy February! That's all I have for you today. Since I was a little short, I'm going to leave you with a link in the doobly-doo and somewhere on the screen to a video that you should go watch because her ukulele is not broken. Jeff and David, see you later!